Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today guys, I have a tutorial for your Samsung TV, and of course this is a Samsung latest operating system, which is Tizen. And of course I'm going to show you how to connect to the internet. Now there are two modes to connect to the internet, and of course I'm going to show you how to do the wired or the wireless connection. All right, so let's start with the most popular, which is the wired connection. So what you want to do is to get your remote. And of course, what you're going to do is you're going to move over to your, right, so you're going to move over to the left. Once you're over to the left menu, as seen here, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to the connections. And of course, it says connected device. Then you go to settings. And of course, from here, you have two ways to do this. You can go here, which is to use the quick menu. And of course, you can connect from right here where it says Wi-Fi. Or of course, you can go ahead, guys, and go the main route, which is to go to the main menu. So you're going to go to all settings. So I prefer or recommend that you go to all settings. It's much easier. Quick settings is a shortcut. So go to all settings. All right, so once you're here, you're going to go down to connections, which is the third option. Once you go over to connections, you're going to see the option for network. Go ahead and select network. All right, so once you're in network here, you'll see a bunch of options to do stuff such as to reset your network. That's going to allow you to control your network. You can go into expert settings and you can check out your network status, open network settings. Now from here, it's not too obvious as where to go to connect to the Wi-Fi, but the way to actually go towards using the Wi-Fi is to actually go into open network settings. So go ahead and choose open network settings. All right, so now you'll be in this menu. We'll outline the method that you want to use. It says, how do you want to connect to the internet? Wireless or wired? Now, of course, from earlier, I told I'm going to show you two methods. You can actually use a wireless connection, which is the most popular method, or you can use a wired connection. All right, so here, if you're gonna use the wireless connection, go ahead and select wireless. I'm already connected to a network, but it's gonna scan. If it's the first time, it's the same. So go ahead and allow it to scan. And of course, I'm gonna use this network right here, which is one I've set up just for this tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to select the network. From here, you'll notice it says down there, enter password for this network. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to enter the password. Once you have entered the password, as you can see, the field is filled out. Make sure that you get all the characters correctly. If you get the password wrong, it will not allow you onto the network. So I'm going to hit OK or go. So tap go. What's going to do from here is going to scan. And of course, there you go. It says wireless connection successful, TV connected to the internet. So of course, now the TV is connected to the internet and it will now be able to browse. Now, this is the easy part. So go ahead and hit OK. And of course, you can go ahead now. And of course, all your apps will work. So if it's, for example, Netflix, you can go ahead and launch Netflix. If it's YouTube, you can go ahead and launch YouTube. All right, guys, the second method, you'd have to go back into settings once more. If in case you do not want to use the wireless method, this will be only in specific cases. So make sure that you go to all settings. Once you're in all settings again, you're going to go back to your connections. And of course, from here, go to network as before. This is the same. Make sure you open network settings. And from here, if you're going to do a wired connection, you're going to use the wired connection. You're going to add the Ethernet cable to the back of the TV. There should be an Ethernet jack. Let me show you what the one on my television set looks like. So of course, this is the Ethernet cable that's on this particular device. As you can see, it would be this one that says LAN. So it will be indicated as LAN, which is the same as here. And next you would need a cable, same as demonstrated here, which is an Ethernet cable. Now the Ethernet cable will need to run from your router, which provides your internet, directly to the back of the TV. They can come in yellow, they can come in blue, they can be black and even orange or even white. And of course, this is what the cable looks like. And of course, you'll run that from your internet router, which provides your internet directly to the TV if you're going to do a wired connection. It's as simple as connecting that cable to the back of the TV. And of course, from there, you simply select wired, and of course, it will configure. And of course, it should be straightforward, and then you'll have internet. So that's it, guys, on how to set up the internet on any new Samsung TV that has the Tizen operating system. See you in the next one. Bye.